Hi folks, I actually have a two-pronged video here. Normally we just talk about recipe making and food items, but I actually got a brand new Creuset 16-quart Stockpot. This is the I got this in the outlet, and it's a marine color, which I'm not carrying it anymore, so it obviously goes to the outlet. 16 quarts, enamel over steel. So it is super light and easy to clean. It's obviously huge. Probably get 9 to 10 servings, I guess, out of it. But the other thing is, I found it for $135, but it was 40% off. So I got this for $80. I found that a steal. All right, so there's that. Definitely go down to the outlet and check it out, because I think this sale's going on for a while. And it's obviously Christmas time, and it's time for gift giving to yourself and to your family and friends. Now, we're going to talk about what I'm going to do with this stock pot. Obviously, it's big enough to be putting in all kinds of big batches and soups and chilies, but I actually use mine a lot to make stock. And what I have here basically is a simple stock. So all this mess here is like carcasses from that were frozen. They're not fresh, obviously. They were frozen for a long period of time of all the chicken and turkey and duck we've eaten over the past, 4 or 5 months. And now I'm at to the point now where I can actually use these to make a wonderful stock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put as much chicken as I can, or turkey, duck, in here. And this is a simple stock, so we don't roast the pieces here. We're going to cut up an onion. We're going to keep the skin on. Obviously, this adds a little bit of color to our stock. Carrot, celery, a little bit of peppercorns, bay leaves, and thyme. So the first step is we're going to just put the chicken in by itself. We're going to cover it with water, and we're going to get it to a boil. Well, to start boiling, you're going to see this little foam come up to the surface. You got to scoop that out. Once all the foam is just about done and you've scooped it out, then you're going to throw this in. And I typically like to simmer for a couple hours. And then I have more tricks for you to show later on. We got to the boiling point with the chicken stock, and I basically skimmed off all that white fluffy foam that's really not supposed to be in your stock to keep it clear. And I also took some of the fat off as well, because we have a duck carcass in here, so it's going to be a little bit fatty. So all we're going to do is we're going to put in our ingredients that we had in earlier. And you can simmer from 45 minutes to overnight if you really want to, but I'm not going to go to sleep with a stovetop going. But I'm going to probably do another couple hours, and then I have another trick I'm going to show you to make this even better. Hi folks, I promised you a little twist to our chicken stock recipe. After simmering the stock for about 2 hours last night, I decided I'm going to throw the rest of what I had in my trusty, dusty crock pot. I actually put this in overnight. This is about a 6 or 7 quart crock pot, and it's going to add so much more to your stock than actually watching the oven for hours and hours and hours. So when I woke up this morning, look what I see. That is pure golden magic. So now you don't have to do a big Godzilla batch like I did. You can do a smaller batch with 1 or 2 carcasses, and you make a few, a cup or 4 cups of chicken stock. But now I'm going to let this thing cool down. I'm going to take any fat off any of the top, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. And now I have a lot of material for stocks and gravies. Eat, drink, savor.